Hey South Africa, did you know the Proteas are currently playing in a World Cup? Now, a lot of people's not speaking about it because cricket's not the number one sport in our country, but we've already won the first three games of our group stage. Now, one of them was against a smaller nation, but two of them were against very big cricket nations. And this last game against New Zealand, we absolutely dominated. Everyone thought it was going to be a very close game. I also thought so because New Zealand's looking very good, but we destroyed them. Our captain, Adam Markram, ridiculous batting performance from him. Marco Jansen with the bowling. Our overall fielding, man, South Africa is looking good at this World Cup. We still have the one game against UAE in the group stages, and then we're going further. But let's get behind the boys. Let's get behind the whole team. The bowlers are starting to hit their marks. Batsmen are looking very good. Fielding looks superb. I'm so excited because I really think we can take this one. This is our South Africa. This is ours.